Welcome to AMC Supplies. I'm Meg and we're going to unpack our new candle kit. Now we've got 1 kilo of wax, we've got 4 tins, we've got 4 wicks, 4 of our wick holders, 4 stickums, and we've got our 60ml fragrance. Now let's make a candle together. We suggest wiping out your tin or jar with isopropyl alcohol for better adhesion. Firstly, we're going to secure a stickum to the base of our wick. You're then going to want to stick it to the centre at the bottom of your candle tin and make sure it is stuck down properly. Now we're going to thread the wick holder through to centre your wick. Now let's weigh out our wax for our candle. We're going to want to weigh out approximately 100 grams for our 6-ounce tins, and we recommend cutting into bite-sized pieces for quicker melting. You now want to heat up some water in a large pot, and then you can place your wax in there so it's not on direct heat. While we wait for the wax to melt, we're going to measure out some fragrance. Now we're going to go 10 grams to 100 grams of wax. Once the wax is completely melted, you'll notice it's translucent. You're then going to take it off the heat. You want to allow your wax to cool until it's at a cloudy stage. This is when we're going to add our fragrance. Now you want to pour your fragrance in and we're going to mix thoroughly. Now we're going to pour it into our candle tin. Once your candle is at a solid state, approximately an hour, you can take off your wick holder and it's time to trim your wick. You want to do this around 5mm in length and your candle's ready to go.